Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 सर्वप्रथम विद्यमान प्रभु नित्य लीला रविष्ठ एवं विष्णुपाद वास्तुतर सदस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्री रमन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला रविष्ठ एवं विष्णुपाद वास्तुतर श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि शास्त्रांग दंडवत ज्ञान करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं मंचस्थ विराजमान प्रभुज चरण श्रीपाद माधव महाराज नरसिंह महाराज ऋषिकेश महाराज एवं परमहंस महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णववृंद
of my Dandavat Pranam to Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis and mothers and brothers and sisters. Please accept my humble obeisances. Today is the third day of Bhagavatam. This katha, you are listening to this katha. Our Narasimha Maharaj spoke about Bharat Maharaj. It's also very nice katha of Bharat Maharaj. So how a sadhak should totally surrender Atma, totally surrender with Atma, then automatically everything manifests in his heart. What you can do everything, whatever you've done. But if you are not got the dust of the Bhakta lotus feet in your heart, then we will not be able to have any realization of Bhagwan. That's why also Vedas and Vedanta and Upanishads, they will not do anything for us until you have not taken the shelter of the dust of the lotus feet of a pure devotee. We will not be able to have realization of Bhagwan. In this Sandarbha, Sukadeva Goswami Maharaj, he spoke many kathas to Pariksit Maharaj. The jivas in this sansar, they are, according to their karma, they are going through the cycle of birth and death. If you have done good karmas, then you have then you go to heavenly planets. And then as soon as you're paid up in the heavenly planets, and then still they don't realize it. Bhagwan, even here Arjun, Bhagwan is saying, even Satyalok also is not eternal. You have to come back in this life, on this earth. Even if you are in karma marg, if you are doing karma marg, you've done good karmas, then maybe you'll go to heavenly planets, and then as soon as your good deeds are finished, then you come back on these earthly planets again. Then if you've done sinful activities, then you go to lower planets, and then you suffer in these lower planets. That is called Chaturdas Brahmandan. That means that is the cycle of life. But there are 7 planets above earth, and there are 7 planets under life. Sarvalok, Sapalok, Tapalok, Satalok. Those are the 7 heavenly higher planets, and the below planets are Dharapar, Patala. The hell is lower planets. So there are 7 planets lower and 7 higher. And this is the Brahman. This is one universe. This is how the jivas are wandering around. So if you do pap, then you have to you are punished.
तो इसी कथा को वर्णन करने के पश्चात परीक्षित महाराज ने एक प्रश्न
Parikshit Maharaj asked one question.
भगवान
Hey Bhagwan,
बताया
you said
कि जो पाप आदि करते
if the jivas are doing pap,
उस पाप के फलस्वरूप वो नरक में चले जाते
then the fruit of that pap is that they go to lower planets. Moti showed me the lower and the higher planets.
हैं
The Bhur,
भूलोक महालोक
Bhur, Bhavlok, Tapalok, Satalok,
और
Brahmalok,
अतल वितल सुतल
Satal, Patal, Patal.
नरक कहाँ
So where is the hell? Where is the hell from there? Which is the hell?
किंतु आपने जो कहा दिया जीव जो
You said
पाप कर्म
Jeev who do the pap karmas,
उसके नरक भोगना पड़ता है
then they have to go to hellish planets. In Sundar Sukadev Goswami Pad is saying, Hey Rajan,
अंतराल एव जगत गत्वास्तु दिशि दक्षिणं तामदस्तथा द्वे रूप पुरी दृष्टाश्च जलाद्दशाम अग्निष्टा तदा देव पितृगण विशेषणत्व गोत्राणां परमेन समाधिना सत्त्वा एतादृश अशासना निवसति सुखदेव से बात
Sukadev Goswami is saying, Hey Rajan, listen,
नरक कहाँ है
where is Narak? Narak means hellish. Narak means hellish planets.
हे राजन त्रिलोक
Hey Rajan, three lok.
है तथा दक्षिण की ओर पृथ्वी से नीचे जल
It is underneath the earth planets,
अग्नि
and they
आदि पितृगण रहते हैं वे अत्यंत एकाग्र पूर्वक अपने
It is-
वंशजों के लिए मंगल कामना के लिए किया करते हैं
put
उस नरक लोक में सूर्य के
in this hellish planets.
भगवान जम
The Yamraj and his servants, they live in those planets, and they are following the instructions of Bhagwan
अपने दूतों के द्वारा
and his dutos means servants.
पर ले जाते हैं
They take these jivas who have committed the sinful activities. That's where they are taken to Yamraj, and they are punished there. That is Narak.
नरक कहाँ है
Where is Narak and Swarag? Someone will ask, who is seen heavenly planets and who is seen hellish planets?
एक पर भोग लिया जाए
Are whatever it is, we haven't seen it.
कहते नहीं
No.
यहाँ
Same.
पर तो भोगना ही पड़ेगा वो पड़ेगा
Padika. You have to
बात
be
तो
yes.
सत्य है
You have to pay for it.
प्राप्त कर्मादि तो
Whatever karmas you do, there is no choice. There is no way out. You have to, even after death. Even after death, if you think you've done some committed some sin or punya means pious activities, then after death you have to pay for it. So if you've done pious activities, then you go to heavenly planets. Then if you've done pap activities, then you have to go to lower planets to pay for it.
ये प्लस माइनस नहीं हो जाएगा
There is no like way out. There is no way out.
मैंने 10 जो पुण्य कर्म किया
So if I'm saying I do 10 pious activities and 7 sinful activities,
पाप कर्म किया
then
तो 3 पुण्य
then
कर्म भोग ले
so it's not like then you say the third tin praise then you can't say, oh, there is 10 pious activities. No, it's how many you've done. If you've done 10 activities pap, then you have to also pay for the pap. If you've done 10 pious activities, then you have to pay for the pious activities. So it's just no way out. That's how it's calculated. So we said, oh, then if you say, oh, I'll do good karmas and that will offset my sinful activities. No, that's not how it works.
कुछ नहीं करो
Whatever you do,
भोगना ही
you have to pay for it.
कहाँ जाओ
So you cannot like offset.
पाप और पुण्य दोनों ही
Dona, both sinful and pious activities you have to pay for it.
निरीश्वरवादी कहते हैं भाई जब मैं मर जाता हूँ
Then says, if I die, then our body is burned. Then who has seen Atma? Nobody. Then nobody. How can you go to Narak? Who has seen it?
शास्त्र में कहता है, आप शरीर को
Shastra
जला
said,
देते हैं,
when they burn your
और
body,
उसके पश्चात तुमको
after that,
शरीर मिलता है,
then you
उसके
get
बाद क्या?
another body.
आत्मामय शरीर,
That
भोगमय
is
शरीर।
bhog mein sharir. Then you get another body.
भोगमय युक्त शरीर
The another
मिलता है।
body.
पाप और पुण्य भोगने के लिए
According to
ऐसे
your
एक शरीर किया जाता है।
according to your activities, then you get a new body. Where with that body you either enjoy it or pay for it. So if you go to Yamraj, then if
उस
somebody
पाप
does
में
pap,
देने के लिए
if you do
शब्द
pap,
शब्दों में
then
क्या कहते हैं?
then you
जब
get
एक रस्सी बांध निकल
then you get a new body.
के
Then the Yamraj come and tie you with a top, and they take you down in the hot iron, and they make you walk, and they beating you up with a chabuk. Chabuk is chabuk. What is it? What's the English word? Chain. Chain. Yes, chain. They beat you up, and then even though your body is burnt here when you die, but you get another body. In that body,
पुराने के अनुसार अनेकों नरक के वर्णन है।
so there's many. In Srimad Bhagavatam said there is 21 different types of hellish planets.
28 प्रकार नरक के वर्णन है।
These
और इसके
28
पश्चात वर्णन करने के पश्चात
28 different types of hellish planets. Sukadeva Goswami is telling Parikshit Maharaj
21 अथवा 28 प्रकार के नरक वर्णन कर दिया।
that I've said
इसके अलावा भी
I've spoken about 21 hellish planets, but more than that, there's more than that. There are many hellish planets.
देवना पुराण में
In Devana Purana,
किंतु देखो जैसे जैसे पापी होता है
whoever is papi, who is sinful, sinner,
पाप के अनुसार
the sinner, the sinners, the Yamraj, the Dutas of the Yamraj come and take you, and
उनके विचार आदि उनके
and then
नरक
this,
में उसको डाल देते।
then according to their whatever activities they've done, then according to that they go to that type of a narak. So if you've lied, then you have to pay for it. They cut your tongue,
तेल में जाए
and then they put the body, make pakoras and fry you in hot oil.
जैसा हम लोग यहाँ पर
Here, like when we make pakoras, like we dip the pakoras in a hot oil. So similarly, like that, the body, your body, you are suffering. Every part of your body is suffering. There is all different types of punishment in these hellish planets. There is Raura Nam Narak. In the Raura Narak, there is a small little insects, and they come and bite you. It's like one bite is like one bite is like as if you've got a 10 snake bites, and you're screaming. The people are screaming here. Oh, everything is there. Like they put your head down, and your legs are up. And the Yamduts it beat them so much. In the Pancha, there is in the 5th chapter, there is a whole description of all the hellish planets are there, and everybody is right. Even for Hazaro charge, then you are paying for it in the what does this man look at these other women? Then what happens? And then there is another part of hell, that a man who looks at other women, then when they go to hell, they made a man of iron, man and woman, and the iron gets really hot. It is hot. Then then they put it in the hot fire, and that iron gets hot, and then they say, now hug. The man hug the wife. That's the punishment you have to pay. Whatever you do. Who has seen Narak? Who has seen hell? Who has seen heavenly planets? If you don't have money, then let's say you didn't have money and you borrowed money from somebody, and bus you borrow money and you enjoy food, enjoy eating, enjoy this, enjoy everything. Then they will speak like that. Oh, at the time of death, who is in hell? Who is in heavenly planets? But really, there is true. There is even everything. One penny you borrowed, you have to pay for it. You have to either you enjoy, you either punish. You get punishment for. I'll tell you one katha. There's one great Sethi, a businessman. Whoever went to him, he used to lend money to people. He was a very generous man. He said, do one thing. Whatever money I am giving you, he would ask the person, will you pay for this? Will you pay this back to me in this life, or will you pay it back to me in your next life? Whatever, because you have to pay back to me. So people who really don't want to give money back to him, they will say, oh, I will pay in my next life. So to Sethi gave money. One day what happened? A thief came. Thief was listening to it, and he thought, the thief went to the Sethi and said, oh, I want 5,000 rupees. So he said, okay, when will you pay me this 5,000? So this chore said, okay, I will pay in my next life. So the chore is thinking, I haven't seen my next life. So what's that? So he said, I'll pay in my next life. Safe. So when he opened his safe, then this thief saw so much money, and his eyes opened up, and he said, oh my God, this Sethi has got so much money in this safe. Tonight I'm going to steal everything. So like that, the thief left. What did he do at that thief? You know where they keep the cows? Padela like the cow shed. So he thought, I'll hide in here until when everybody goes to sleep, and then I will break the safe and take everything. So he slept. Even the chore, even though he was a thief, he could understand animals' language. So he was sitting there, and then one cow was talking to another cow, and he's saying, one cow is asking the other cow, from where have you come from? So how come you are a cow in this Sethi's house? So he said that in my previous life, I asked this Sethi for 5,000 rupees, and then I told him that I will pay in my next life, and then I didn't pay him. So that's why I have come, take a birth as a cow, as an animal. I have come as a cow, and I'm giving milk, so I'm paying it now to the Sethi. Jai Shri Radhe. So whether you believe or not believe, but this is true. You have to pay it back. Every penny you borrow, you have to pay back. If you don't pay back, then you have to pay for it and suffer for it. So Sukadeva Goswami explained about many different types of hell, and Parikshit Maharaj was listening to all this. His heart melted. Parikshit Maharaj, he was listening to the suffering of the Jeeves and the hellish planets, and he was crying, and he asked one question, hey Gurudev, do you think these papis, these sinfullers, can they not be saved? Then they will just do punya and pap, they will do good activities and bad activities. Is there no way out from that cycle? Again they go to heavenly planets, then they come back here, or they go to hellish planet, then pay for it, then they again come back here. So this cycle of birth and death, this is called karma chakra. the cycle of karma, up and down. You do good, you go up, then you come back, and then you do bad. Bad you do down. So it's just a cycle. Isn't there any way they can be saved? That they can stop from this cycle? So Bhagwan, hey Kripa, with mercy, tell me, this how can these jivas can be saved? This katha, Parikshit Maharaj, he said, hey Sukdev Goswami said, hey Rajan, I'll tell you the truth. In this, if you want to live, if you want to come out from this karma marg, there is a upai, there is a way. Listen to the way out. There is a solution. If you do good karmas, that's why I said, if you do pap karma, even if they did pap unknowingly, they did pap. For example, if you are driving a car and then and you hit the cow and the cow died, you did it accidentally. You didn't do it intentionally. The cow actually came on the road, and you accidentally drove the car over the cow, then the cow died. दूसरी बात, you know, the people who kill cows, like Muslims, they do Allah, and they cutting goats, they're killing animals, and they're saying Allah, and they cut the animal's neck with a knife. Why don't they do that to their children? Why don't they do their son and they say Allah, and then cut their children's head? Go and cut your father and mother's neck with a knife and say Allah. Why don't they do that? If you cannot give birth to anyone, you have no right to kill anyone. In our Shastra it says, our rishis were there. Even our olden days, our rishis, they were sacrificing it, but they had power to bring that animal back and to make. Because in Kali Yuga, that is five things are not allowed.
Sannasam Parvantrikam, Devaranya Sutapatti, Maru Pancha, Vivarje.
5 things in Kali Yuga, Go Hapta. You should not kill the cow. You have to follow those regulations. You have to follow that. Then why do you kill the cow? This papo, this sinful. How can you be saved from this pap? What is the Papa Mukti? For example, I told you earlier that accidentally I killed the cow. What is the punishment for this? Maybe you do some charity to cows. Do charity to cows in Govardhan, in Giriraji Gaudiya Math. There is a Goshala. This is called Durvasha Rishi Goshala. Go and give some charity to the cows. Dan, give some charity for food, something. Charo. Donate something to the cow. Pankha. You give a pankha. There's one pankha. There's 2,000 pankha. And there's electricity bill also. Who will pay for the electricity bill if you have a fan there? 2,000. I'm not criticizing, but if you gave the pankha, but you donated a fan, But then who's going to pay for the electricity bill? You gave a cow. You have got paid us, but the cow has to be maintained. You have to give. So you have to, the cow has to be looked after. So what you have to say? Chalo, you bought a cow and you've given a cow in donation. That's not enough. You have to give the maintenance for the cow, the feeding, the food for the cow. Some people they leave the cows on the street. They have to pay for it. They have to pay. Godan. So Godan. So if you give a cow in charity, then also you have to give what will the sadhus will do the bhajan. They have come to do bhajan, not go and take picture for the cows' food. We will do seva. We will do gai seva. But also you have to pay for the food for the cow. You have to do bhajan for cow. There's so many dance, there's so many different charities for cow. It's not easy. That is also karma mark. Ana padega. So even if you do Godan, then still have to come back. Then we'll be listening to this katha. Some people want to do donation for cows. There is a katha for Nig Maharaj. He did give charity of cows. What happened? That cow was mixed up, and then what he had to, in the next life, he had to be a Girdit. A Girdit is like a chameleon. I think it's chameleon. So he said, he's saying that, he said, hey Maharaj, show me, tell me where that jiva can be saved completely from. But so you have to do the Bhagwan's seva. Please tell me, tell me, the dance charity, there is no faida, again that's temporary, but please tell me the katha where for everyone, everybody gets liberation, mukti. Sukadev Goswami, Sukadev Goswami said, in this material world, whatever I said about pap, how can you be saved from the pap? That is also karma. Udaharan, the example I gave. If you burn the bamboo sticks, if you burn them, they dry in the summer, and if you put a fire there, then what will happen? The fire will spread, and they will burn. But as the rain comes, what happens to these vast bamboos? When the rain comes, they will start growing up. In 2 months, it will be all full. They'll grow. So these jivas, this is not mukti. You can get what you have to do for mukti. Jiva has to give him like vase. We pull it, like a vase. This bamboo, you have to the roots of the bound, the root. So then you have to pull it out, bamboo from the roots, because even in fire, when there was a fire, they burned. But when the rain came, they grew again. So please show us that. So show me a way where there is no karmas and no pap. You can come out from it. Both sinful activities and karmas for good. So Sukadev said, Maharaj, I will tell you one story, history. That is a Naam. I will speak to you the glorification of the Naam. In Srimad Bhagavatam,
भगवान कपिल देव
Bhagwan Kapil Dev is saying to
एकमात्र भगवान के नाम ही के
what is the topmost is Bhagwan's name.
सवनाम कीर्तना जप प्रवणा जप स्मरणोपि कच्चि शाकुरूपि शब्द श्रवणाय कल्पते उदा पुनस्ते भगवान दर्शनात् अहो
Oh,
भगवान की नाम
Bhagwan's name, Shravan, listening, Kirtan, speak, chanting, hearing,
पाप आदि
then all the paps will be destroyed of jivas.
यह तक भी जो कुत्ते के मांस खाने वाले
Like even people who are eating dog meat, dog eaters,
वो भी क्या हो जाता है
they will
शब्द श्रवणाय कल्पते
even they will be saved.
देखो श्रवण जगती वो
Even if they hear,
अधिकारी बन जाता है पवित्र हो जाता है।
they will also become pavitra. Pavitra means pious,
भगवत दर्शन
and they can also attain Bhagwan darshan.
अहो वद सबचो जोगयान जदि दिया अग्रे वदते नाम तुभ्यं ते पुस्तके जो सुष्णु राज्य ब्रह्मण तो नाम गृह्णं दीजते अहो वद सबचो जोगयान अत्यंत विस्मय के साथ कहने लगे
He said,
ओ भगवान के नाम की
"Oh Bhagwan, the name. What can I say? How can I glorify the Bhagwan's name? Even a dog eater,
एक बार
even if he speaks, a dog eater chants Bhagwan's name.
देखो उनके क्या हो जाता है
What happens to him?
कर्म करने की फल अपने आप हो जाता है
And he will get it.
शास्त्र अधिकार
He will
अपने आप ही प्राप्त हो जाता है
everything will automatically he will automatically get benefit. He will
यह
become
तक भी कहते हैं क्या देखो उस साम वेदी ब्राह्मण से भी श्रेष्ठ मन
he is also known higher. If he is chanting Bhagwan's name, then he is even higher than a Brahmin.
भगवान बिहारी लाल की जय 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 श्री राधे और भगवान के नाम विशेष करके कलयुग में
In Kali Yuga is the easy way to chant Bhagwan's name. Oh, Bhagwan's name. What is the glorification of it? In whichever way one chants Bhagwan's name,
प्रभु के नाम लेकर के पुकार
you have to pukar, you have to call out Bhagwan's name.
समस्त कर्म की
All your karmas
अपने आप
automatically will be destroyed, will go far away.
और क्या चाहिए
Then what else do you need in Kali Yuga? Naam. In Kali Yuga, what is there? Only Kevala Naam, only Hari Naam.
गणित में और कोई आधार नहीं आश्रय
There is no other ashra, there is no other support. There is only Hari
इसी
Naam.
प्रकार नाम की महिमा वर्णन करते हुए श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी
The Sukadev Goswami said, telling Parikshit Maharaj, "Hey Rajan,
पुरातन के इतिहास में सुना
I will tell you this Purana Ityas, history.
अन्नकुब्ज नगर में
In
एक धनाढ्य
Dhanatan,
ब्राह्मण
there was one Brahmin. He was said,
अजाम
his name was Ajamil.
ब्राह्मण के जो है 6 प्रकार कर्मों के जो है वो ठीक ठीक से पालन करते
He was following the 6 karmas properly.
देखो ब्राह्मण कैसे हम समझेंगे
Brahmin, who is Brahmin?
वो स्वयं दान लेते हैं और दान देते हैं
He gives in charity and he receives in charity. He studies the knowledge and he distributes the
जन
knowledge.
चयन अध्ययन अध्यापन दान वो हवन आदि करते हैं
He does fire sacrifice, Havan, and he also teaches how to do sacrifice, how to do fire sacrifice. So similarly like that, Ajamil was born in a very upper class Brahmin.
यथायथ सम्मान सेवा भी करते हैं
He was doing all the
अपने
seva.
सती साथी पत्नी उसके थी।
He had also very nice wife. He had a son.
गुणवान
अजामिल
प्रातः काल में
In the morning,
हवन
Ajamil,
करने के लिए जंगल में जाते थे
he was going in the jungle, Havan. He went to the forest to pick those sticks, you know, the dry sticks.
देखो
What देखो see?
वृक्ष के मत काटो जंगल में जाओ
If you go in the
और जंगल
jungle,
में जाकर के वृक्ष से जो गिरे हुए हैं जो सूखी जो लकड़ी है
so the branches, you know, the sticks that have fallen on the ground, you will pick. You wouldn't cut you wouldn't cut the tree, because if you cut the trees, then you are giving pain to the trees. So they would only pick up the sticks that's on the ground.
जंगल में जाओ प्रातः काल में जंगल में जाकर के
If you went in the
पेड़
jungle,
के कहीं कष्ट न हो जाए जो पेड़ से सूखी लकड़ी जो बाल
so
जाल को सूख करके
so
नीचे
you
गिरे,
would not cut the branches from the tree, and you would only pick up the sticks that's on the ground. So that's how Ajamil, he
जंगल में जाके थे
he used to go in the jungle and pick up these dry sticks and do havan with those dry sticks.
ब्राह्मण के लिए नहीं।
This is the Brahmin.
उठ करके
First in the morning,
के द्वारा
they do the Brahma Gayatri,
1108
and 108, they do Brahma Gayatri mantra 108, and then they do offering like that. Jamil used to do all that. He was following the Brahmin.
ब्राह्मण कहाँ मिले
In Kali, where can you find Brahmin?
शास्त्र में भी कहा गया।
Even the Shastras are saying,
बिगड़ जाएंगे, सब ब्राह्मण तो नहीं है।
Some-
अपने शास्त्र में कहा गया।
in the Shastra I said,
दूसरे युग में दुष्मत तो असुर था।
they were Asur, the Asur in the previous Yug, and then they have taken this Brahmin in this Kali Yug.
कौन ब्राह्मण? जो ब्राह्मण लोग
Who is Brahmin?
जो ब्राह्मण धर्म पालन नहीं करते।
If they don't follow the Brahman's dharma,
हुआ, किंतु वास्तविक युग में वो
if they are not following Asur,
परिमाश्रितम, वही
so if they are not following the Brahmin in this dharma, in this life, then in the previous life they were Asur, Rakshas,
ब्राह्मण हो गए।
and then Kali Yuga, now they have come in Brahman, and they are not following the Brahman rules and regulations,
मैं ब्राह्मण हूँ।
and then they are saying, Are I am Brahmin,
जगसूत्र तो है ही। और जगसूत्र है तो गायत्री मंत्र जप करते नहीं।
then they are not doing jap or anything,
और गायत्री मंत्र जप करते हैं।
and they are doing Gayatri Mantri, they are doing,
ध्यान नहीं देते।
then
राजा देते हैं।
they may be chanting Gayatri Mantra, then they are also drinking or taking bhang, taking drugs, then how can you say they are Brahmin?
चोटी नहीं रखते।
They don't even keep the shikha.
अरे ये सिखा करना चाहिए।
You have to do
कपाड़
shikha.
में तिलक रखना चाहिए।
That on your forehead you should have tilak,
और शास्त्र के अनुसार
and you should know the knowledge,
ना पड़ेगा, नहीं पड़ेगा। ना झूठ मूठ पहन करके हमारे पास आ जाओ। बोले हम ब्राह्मण है।
and then say we are Brahmin.
हाँ?
Huh.
हम ऐसे काम नहीं। शास्त्र में कहा था नहीं।
Shastra say that's not Brahmin.
ब्राह्मण की भी इच्छा है।
There is a Brahmin
साधु
who
हो
is
गया, दिन में साधु, रात में झूठ मूठ पहन जाते।
day mein, this daytime he's very in a Brahmin suit, he's a Brahmin, and at night he's not. No,
अरे भाई तुम ब्राह्मण हो, हम पूजा हम तो चाहते।
like I see
21 ब्राह्मण के बालक के ले आओ।
this twin.
हम यहाँ पर अच्छी तरफ से हमको आदर करेंगे, दक्षिणा देंगे, खिलाएंगे, पिलाएंगे।
If there is a proper Brahmin, we will also bring them here. We will give him dakshina, then put galan on his around him as well, around his neck.
देखा तो कैसे आया?
Then the Brahmin came, Keshe, and he came in a suit.
बोले
That's not Brahmin.
पूजा करेंगे महाराज, जब आपके पास बैठेंगे तब धोती बांधेंगे।
Then when I do puja, then I put dhoti on. Then I'll say, oh, I am sannyasi. I could also say, I will sit there in sannyasi kapra, I'll put sannyasi clothes, and then when I go in the bazaar, when I go out, then I'll put suit on. Then is that true? Is that right? That is the way to go? No.
वास्तव में बोले आप, इसे बोले ब्राह्मण नहीं।
Brahmin say, Brahmin is Brahmin when they follow their dharma. Sudras is Sudra when they follow the Sudra's dharma.
वास्तव में सत्य है।
This is really true.
एक नीच कुल के होकर के यदि
Even though he's born from a rich,
भजन आदि करते,
even if he's born in a lower caste, but he's following the bhajan, he's doing bhajan, that is regarded as a higher person, topmost. Swami Maharaj went in the west. When he went to the west, what happened? He shaved his head. He made everyone shave their head and put the shikha I will say one. I will not mention the name. Swami Maharaj went to Krishna Balaram. He's made Krishna Balaram temple. He preached overseas. His Guru Bhai, he said to Maharaj, you have preached in the West, and you got wealthy disciples in the West. Please, he said, his god brother said, oh, I want to build a temple. I need some money. Swami Maharaj didn't say anything. And he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. And then when he came here, when Swami Maharaj came, his Guru brother came here and said he respected his Guru Bhai. And what did the Guru Bhai do? The Thakurji's prasad. So he gave to all his disciple. You know, he said, and he said, I'm a Brahmin. He said, I'm Brahmin. And these disciples, Western disciples, they have got Tulsi Mala and they've got Tilak. Does that mean they are Brahmin? They are Westerners. They are overseas. They were eating cow meat. They were drinking alcohol. So what we don't know, what we know, what else they were doing. And now they've shaved their head and they've got Tulsi Mala. And the Prabhupada has said, no, now we are Brahmin. So how can they offer bhog to Thakurji? What he said, he took the prasad. So he accepted the prasad. Then what did he do? His god brother threw this prasad in the bin. So this disciple saw it. And so disciple told his Prabhupada and said, Gurudev, I saw this, he threw this prasad in the bin. Because he said, because the Swami Maharaj didn't say anything. Then his Guru Bhai, same Guru Bhai, and he wrote another letter and then says, oh Maharaj, I need some money. I'm building a temple. You cannot digest this money. So how these people you are telling me that this money is coming from people who are eating cows, who are drinking. So how will you accept this money? So I cannot give you this money. How will you be able to digest this money? All my Shishya, all my disciples, how will you accept the money? You know? Yes. So he said, he didn't say anything. Third, then again, second time Swami Maharaj came to India. And one slok he wrote. This was the slok. You have forgotten, he told his Guru Bhai, you have forgotten this Bhagavad Gita. Even Chandal means a dog eater. Even if he speaks Bhagwan's name and he starts following the rules and regulation, then he is even above the Brahmin. Isn't it written in Bhagavad? Then he showed it to his Guru Bhai. Listen, understand this slok. Even if they've done previous pap or in this life, if they take the shelter of a Gurudev, a pure devotee, a Guru, and he starts chanting, then all his even previous all this life pap are destroyed. See, he wrote this slok to his Guru Bhai. That is, he's above the Brahmin. And you said of my Sishyas, my Sishyas, that you are cow eating, and now you got a choti on your head, and then now you got Tulsi Mala. Then third time the Guru Bhai came. Swami Maharaj started to talk to him, and he's talking to him, and he did. And he again asked Guru Bhai this slok that he wrote on the letter, and then he started to read this. He read this slok and he started to cry. Then he said, now I understand Prabhupada's vichar. Actually, you are right.
के जन्म लेने के नाते
Even I've taken birth in the Brahmin. I've got hankar in my heart. And you open my eyes.
विचारधारा को
Prabhupada.
वास्तव रूप में मेरे हृदय में स्थापित कर दिया।
Then he said, Prabhupada, really, you will open my eyes.
महाराज की चरण बंद।
Then he took shelter of Prabhupada. And he said, Guru Bhai, I'm Aparadhi. He said, I'm Aparadhi.
एक काम करो।
Do one thing.
कोई जो है पुजारी
That Pujari, that Westerner Pujari,
उनके बोले जाओ ठाकुर जी का भोग लगा।
then saying, go tell that Western Pujari to go do the offering.
उनके बोले
He said,
बोले कोई विदेशी से बोले जाओ ठाकुर जी का भोग लगा लोगे मिठाई ला।
yes, now,
और बोले हमारे पास प्रसाद था।
then he said, now you have prasad with us. He said,
प्रसाद पाया।
then the Guru Bhai, Guru
वो
Bhai,
कहने लगे आज मैं वास्तव में
प्रसाद।
समझ गया।
he said, the Guru Bhai said, today I understand
नाम करते हैं।
who are chanting Bhagwan's name.
वो नीच हो कुछ
Whether you are in a taken birth in the lower caste,
है। और पहले उस समय उन्होंने कहा
that Swami Maharaj
महाराज
he said,
समझ में आ गया।
now he said, Maharaj,
तब जो है
his god brother said, hey Maharaj, whoever chant, even if they chant one time,
शुद्ध नाम तो बहुत दूर की
even
बात
the
है।
Sudnam, even pure name is a long part, even if they are doing Abbas name.
अजामिल इसी कथा को
अजामिल।
समझ में आएगा। हम बताएंगे।
अजामिल,
बेटा के नाम रख दिया।
he named his son,
पुजारी दो नाम।
he named his son Narayan.
अजामिल अपने बेटा के
ऐसे
नाम
नाम-
रख करके नारायण नाम रख करके
He gave his name son Narayan, and he was chanting Narayan because of his son. He was calling his son Narayan, and that way he was chanting his name. And what did he attain? He was Nam Abbas, and still he attained Vaikunt. And that was not even pure name, it was Abbas, Nam.
कई बार मैंने जो है एक कथा जो है
This one
जो
katha.
मुला दीदी जो है ये सुनाया था।
In the Tithi,
थोड़ी छोड़ चली गई। मुला दीदी
Mola Tithi, I don't know when Didi left her body.
मेरे प्रभुपाद
That's,
की कथा मैंने सुनाया।
I
ये महाराज
told this katha.
किसी के जो है एक विदेशी है एक देशी है
West Western, this is Western or Western, who doesn't matter.
नाम जो है
If they take the shelter of a pure devotee or pure guru,
अरे ब्राह्मण होकर के सदाचार
then doesn't mean, and then the Brahmin who's born in a Brahmin family, but if he's drinking and is, then is he Brahmin? No.
जिस कथा प्रसंग में हम चलते जा रहे हैं
So
सुखदेव गोस्वामी के पास
the Sukadev Goswami said, hey Maharaj,
प्राचीन काल में जो अजामिल की कथा
there I will, Ajamil's katha.
अजामिल
This Ajamil, he was born in a Brahmin family. He was following all the rules and regulations, and he was doing yagna and everything.
और एक दिन जब
One day,
संविधा लकड़ी आदि
then
संग्रह करने के लिए जंगल में गए।
he went
और उस जंगल में
went in the jungle to collect the sticks. There he saw one lady.
कैसे देखा
He
उस
had
सुंदराणी
the man and a woman, Sudra. They saw them
क्या हो गया
and they were naked. I think, I don't know whether they said naked or
आकर
something.
के तो किसी
They
प्रकार
were,
से
and Ajamil saw them.
जब आदि किया कि
then-
उनके मन
But when he was doing yagna, he was thinking about those two couple.
वो घर में रहे अपने वृद्ध माता पिता को सेवा छोड़
So he left the seva, he left his wife, he also left his children, he left his mother and father, and then he went in the jungle and he started to live with his prostitute. So a sat sangha. So when you have not good association, bad association, then your mind gets disturbed. When so men who associate with women, then their mind gets disturbed. So the Ajamil he started to associate with the prostitute. So he left all his Brahmin dharma, and he left all that. Even choti, he cut choti. Even the gale ki mala, he left. And he started to do bad activities. He started to steal. Even he started to kill animals. He started to do bad karmas. Like that, Ajamil, and then he lived with his prostitute and have 10 children. Then the 10th child that was born, that name was Narayan. That 10th child's name was Narayan. There are many important. Our Janadhar Goswami Pujari, he used to tell us this katha. Whatever I've heard from him, I am recited. Ajamil, what did Ajamil do? That 10th child was in that day when that prostitute gave birth to the 10th child. On that night, he left that place. At that night, she gave birth to this beautiful boy, and with the mercy of Bhagwan, the rishis came to their door. Santa Mahatma, what are Santa Mahatmas? Where this, if they are traveling and then it gets dark, whenever it gets dark, that's where they rest. So this sadhu, they got up, rishi got up the next day. So Santa Mahatma went. So this prostitute said, "Oh, the lady's heart is soft." So he said to Santa Mahatma, "Hey Santa Mahatma, do the naming ceremony of my son. So please give a name to my son. Also give some sanskar ceremony." There are 10 sankar. These 10 sankar. There are 10 types of sanskar. Even Durga has how many? Durga is 10 hands. So 10. So this 10. So she's holding 10 different types of weapons. This Mahavidya colony. It is a Devi. There are 10 different weapons. So those weapons are 4. The people who have done this 10 samskar, then this Devi punishes them with those 10 weapons. What is the last? It's called? What was it? Sanskar. I said 10 sanskar. Garbha sanskar, Janma sanskar, then Chura. Upanes, there are many sanskar, Vidya, there are many sanskar. You have to follow this sanskar. What does it mean? There is a stamp, like a chap, the stamp in a child, in a person. This mantra, swasti mantras, that samskar goes in that person's heart. You have to do samskar. So, even Mitri Sansar, when the death time ceremony. Okay, I'll go forward in the katha. So what did he do? So there was some flower. So this he did, and then he gave Nam Sanskar. He gave a name, which is the high name. Nam Sanskar is very important. Are you giving the name of your child D2, B2, C2? If you take the birth in Braj and then you give a name as D2, B2, Chak, give the name. if it's a boy, Ram, Krishna, or Govinda, Sham Sundar, Madan Mohan, what beautiful names there are.
और नहीं तो बाबा को रखते क्या टाकू हाथ
Daku, but otherwise you give that child name, then Chaku, Chaku. Chaku means if he's Chaku means knife. So Situ Bitu. Then one day your child will use the knife.
पूछो उनके बेटा बेटी नाती नाती के नाम टिटू सिटू पिटू रंटू झंटू
Situ
मंटू
Bitu, Bantu.
ये कोई थोड़ी नाम है
Is that a name?
अरे साधु में आओ
Come.
आप लोग श्रवण करो
Listen to
हम बातों
Bhagavatam.
को इसलिए करते सुनाने के लिए
That's why we are reciting the Bhagavad.
हम जबरदस्ती
Sunat it. If you don't want to listen, 7 days, you come in. 6:30 बजे. They come. Why do we keep this? Why do we do Bhagavad Gita? So more people come here and listen. We know.
हम अपने पैसे खर्च करके भाग सकते
We put money and we invest. We invest into. You don't have to do anything. We'll feed you. We'll give you. Come and sit here and listen to Katha. We want to give you some skam. Why do we do this Bhagavatam? Is it because our mother or father died? No. Are we doing Bhagavad? No. We are not doing that. Why are we doing Bhagavatam? We are doing. So, also, we also get Bhagavatam and also you come and listen to Bhagavatam. Pintu Pitu. So you don't give your child a name. So we are saying you should give your child a name. You come and listen. Maharaji is full of swastika is there. He's a blessing with the flowers, We have come here, listen. Give Radha, Sam Sundar, beautiful names there are. Even if you at the time of your death, even if you speak your son's name, you will be saved. What name did he give? Narayan. So they gave the son of the Ajamil Narayan. Narayan. This is Janata Maharaj used to speak this katha. In Puranas, first then Ajamil came and the child already had Nam Sanskar and he came drunk, his eyes were red. And so, what did he say? He saw sadhus in his house. And then he looked at the sadhu, his eyes even opened wide. In my house there is sadhu. His wife, they said, Sila, look, the wife said, look how beautiful. I've given a birth to a beautiful son. Isn't it how beautiful the son is? Even the balak, the baby started to laugh. The Rajma saw the face of the baby. The anger he had went less when he saw the baby's face. Then he said, Sant Mahatma, he's given, the wife said that Sant Mahatma has given our baby name Narayan. Narayan. Even Papi Mukh. The Adi Purana, Bhagavan is saying, listen Arjun, so Janam, if you have done 100 life of worship of Vasudev, then you will have a Bhagavan's name. So you can say, Are Papi's Mukh, sinners will not be able to chant Bhagavan's name. But Ajamil was Mahapapi, he was a great sinner. Narayan. He gets deaf, he could not hear Narayan. But Ajamil, The sadhu said, Ajamil, I've given the name to your son. The Ajamil, when he heard the name Narayan, the pure name of Narayan from a sadhu's, from a Sant Mahatma, that name went into the Ajamil's ears and all his sins were destroyed. Then Ajamil said, that's why I said, why is it important to have Guru? Sant Mahatma. You have to go to a pure Guru and chant, do Nam Sanskar. That means initiation. That is Sabda Brahman. That is the transcendental sound. There is strength of more than 100 atom bombs. One atom bomb, Prabhu said, one atom bomb can destroy one land, one country. But Bhagwan's name, and it can destroy many lifetimes of pap. I am saying, our Janardhan Maharaj, if they say, Aja means Narayan, that's a Sabda Brahman. When the Sadguru, if from the mouth of the Sadguru, when the Sadguru speaks from his mouth, that is called Sabda Brahman. Then somebody say, I've just taken mala in the bazaar, I bought one from the shop and I'm chanting. So he said, I'm chanting, you know. They'll say, I'm chanting, I'm chanting, but nothing will happen until you take you have to go and take the Harinam. When the Satguru gives Harinam, then all your papa are destroyed. Like that. Rishi said, I've given the name of Narayan. As he spoke Narayan, the Sant Mahatma spoke Narayan. That word went into Ajmal said. The wife said, look, please give some dakshina to Ajmal said, dakshina? I don't give dakshina. So many sadhus are coming. If you say it and they've given Nam, I'll give dakshina. What did he give? That dakshina? Sorry, I don't know. He give dakshina Purana. This is not ordinary. We say, we are chanting, nothing is happening to us. But if it's a Satguru, it's a pure Guru, you are chanting that name slowly. He is cleaning you, he is purifying you. You have to have Vishwas, you have to have faith. Then they said, Maharaj, then I go to Maharaj and say, Maharaj, I've been chanting, nothing's happening to me. So Maharaj says, no, it is happening, everything's happening. With time, you are changing, everything's happening. But you have to have patience. After that day, his Ajmal's life changed. Even bed mein, whatever eating, sleeping, he was just saying his son's name, Narayan. How many births? 10. Nine babies, that's not mentioned, it says. But this is the 10th child, his name was Narayan. He had more love and attachment to this 10th child. So he kept on whatever he was doing. When he was sitting, hey Narayan, bring me water. Hey Narayan. He kept on chanting, hey Narayan, calling him, come here. The first Ajamil was by Narayan, just saying that Narayan, his pap got destroyed. And then as he kept on saying more and more Narayan, then Sukriti built up. So really,
सदगुरु जब आपको हरिनाम देते हैं,
If when the Harinam, when the Sadguru gives you Harinam and gives you mala,
तुलसी माला दिया,
and then they say, Are, if the disciple said, Oh, did you give me Tulsi mala or Neem mala? Are, it's not Tulsi mala or Neem mala. Are, he's given you Harinam. What is Guru Dev?
माला देने के लिए आए, बेचने के लिए।
Are, what, Guru is selling the mala?
हरिनाम
What is Guru saying? I'm giving you Harinam.
ये काम नहीं है।
Guru to come, Guru's work is not to.
लोन दे दिया और
Bas,
ये
sis-
कर दिया।
Bas, Guru's name is not like, oh, here you give me a little dakshina and then I give you mala. Are, don't even give me money. I'm saying don't. I'll give you Harinam.
हाँ? दक्षिणा देने की जरूरत नहीं।
You don't need to give me dakshina.
अभी तो दोगे नहीं, कोई बात
I'll give it to you free. You don't need to give dakshina. Free में ले जाओ. Take it free.
आपको सत्य का है, विदेश में जाते हैं।
When I go to the Western countries, I say, here, take Harinam karo. Do
आप
Harinam.
करो तो कम से कम दवाई तो लो,
At least take the medicine.
दवाई लो।
Dawai lo. Dawa means take medicine. You will not be cured without taking medicine.
दवाई से भी काम नहीं होगा। दवाई के साथ ही साथ
But just by taking the medicine, you won't get better. You have to follow. Like you have to follow how to take the medicine. For example, you got fever.
उसको जो है अनुपान ठीक से नहीं लिया,
If you have fever,
हैं? हो सकते हैं और आगे ना बढ़ जाए, हैं?
and then you.
ऐसे नहीं। इसलिए नाम करने के साथ
So
ही साथ
with the
नाम
name, when you are
अपराध की
chanting the
भी-
name, you have to be careful that
पहले
you don't
शुरू
do
में नहीं
aparad.
करते, कोई भी बात नहीं।
In the beginning, okay, you're doing aparad.
10 प्रकार के नाम अपराध
There are 10 types of aparad. You should think.
कम से कम पहला 3 तो कम
At least if you can't follow 10, then at least the first 3 you should follow.
तो तुम भूल ही जाओगे।
Then if I tell you 10, then you forget. Then at least have 3. Don't criticize Ninda, Sant Mahatma.
और तीसरी जो है
Said, then don't follow Guru's
ये
instruction.
3 तो कर सकते कि नहीं कर सकते, हैं? तो उसी प्रकार देखो अजामिल की कथा में
Ajamil,
अजामिल ऐसे करते करते उनके 88 साल
he became 80. 80. 84, I think it's 80. And he was old man now.
88 साल
88. I think
मृत्यु
88
के
is
समय
80.
आ गए।
And then the time of death came.
गले में कब जम जाते हैं, विवाह हुआ करके
And he's old, he's got his cough, he's got all these mucus in his throat,
मुंह से लाल निकलने लगे
and his
और टट्टी पेशाब आदि करने लगे।
even he was passing urine and stool on the bed.
इतने समय अजामिल ने क्या देखा?
What did he when it was time of his death? He saw young dutas, with big bodies. Those young dutas, water,
हाथ में दंड था
he water.
और भाई 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 भाई
So he saw these young dutas. Tell him, no, he's got water. Tell him to get water. I'm sure he has got
उसके देख
water.
करके अजामिल
This day, Ajamil,
डर गए।
he was looked and he got so frightened of these young dutas. They were big, huge bodies, black bodies. Then he got so frightened. He started to pass urine, and he said, "Who will save me from these young dutas?" He opened his eyes and he saw his son boy, his son, little son. And so he started to say, "Hey, Narayan, Narayan." He was calling out for his son. He was calling his son.
वैकुंठ लोक में भगवान
And
के
the
आदेश
Vaikunt, Bhagwan in the Vaikunt heard this word Narayan.
के भेज दिया अजामिल
So-
की रक्षा करने के लिए।
So all these Yam Dutas, Vishnu Dutas, he sent 4 Vishnu Dutas from Vaikunt. And these 4 Vishnu Dutas told Yam Dutas, don't you see the red line?
गाड़ी चला रहे हो क्या?
And you're driving a car and there's a red light. Some people, Sham
रेड लाइन दिखाई नहीं पड़े।
Sam is driving the car and he doesn't see the red light. And you didn't see the red line and you're running,
देखो विष्णु
coming.
चक्र
So the Vishnu Chakra, the Vishnu Dutas, the Vishnu Chakra. Hey, Vishnu Duta said,
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
hey,
बड़े महापापी अजामिल
Are Yamaduta said,
हम जा रहे हैं।
we have come here because he's a Mahapapi, he's a big sinner. This is our instruction from our Yamraj, that who is sinner, you have to go and collect them.
बोले क्यों? अरे वो तो नाम कर दिया भगवान के।
Are you have to stay distance because he spoke Narayan. He was chanting Narayan. He was chanting Narayan.
नारायण का विष्णु के नाम नारायण लेकर थोड़ी उच्चारण किया,
So-
अपने बेटा के नाम लेकर उच्चारण।
Are he was speaking not Narayan, Lord Vishnu Narayan's name. He was speaking his son's Narayan name.
हैं? अरे नारायण के नाम तो अनंत काल से ही है।
So it doesn't matter. It's the first Narayan. Bhagwan came, na? His son came after that.
संकीर्तन पारिहासम तोवम निलनम एवला वैकुंठ नाम ग्रहणम असिधागम विदूर्ति। इसके अर्थ तुम्हारे प्रभु के पास जाकर सुनना।
You go to your
कोई
Prabhu.
संकेत हैं? परिहास करते हुए नाम भगवान के नाम संकेत
Even it doesn't matter
स्तोत्र
how
करते हुए।
you speak Narayan's name.
परिहासम तोवम केवल इच्छा भी नहीं है।
Even if you don't have desire,
नाम को ये
but
बात-
you are speaking the name.
नाम की महिमा पूरी प्रशंसा।
There is so much glorification of name. There was one Muslim man. He went in the jungle. He went to pass a stool in the jungle. And at that time, the pig, you know the wild pig.
हराम।
So what do Muslims say? Haram, haram. You know they don't like pigs. They say haram.
हराम हराम करने लगे।
So he kept on saying haram, haram. And this pig kicked him from the back and he died. And what happened? He went Sakshat to Bhagwan's name. Bhagwan ate it. So there is so much glorification of Bhagwan's name. So Vishnu Dutta said, go to Yamdutas, go away. In whatever way one chants Bhagwan's name once, don't go. Yamadutas don't go to those people. Go away. Yamdutas, they left the place and they went to Yamraj. And then they went to the Yam and they said to Yamraj, hey, this Mahapapi, the great sinner of Ajamil, and the Vishnu Dutas came and they told us to go back to Yamraj. So just by saying the name of Narayan, Yamraj said to Duta, listen, you are very fortunate that you took darshan of my servants of Lord Vishnu, Yamdutas, you know. The servants of Lord are you took a darshan of the bhaktas of Vishnu's. That is very fortunate. You are very fortunate. So even did they not give him book? Okay, he won't take it. Even once he said Bhagwan's name, even if one bows down with his head, even if you Vishnu, that you should not follow Ekadasi. You should follow Ekadasi. Amrish Maharaj's katha is there. I had this structures. No, I think there's another person out here. Even if you say Bhagwan's name just once, Yamraj is Adesh, you know, his instruction is Sadhu Sang. If you look at the Ajamel Sadhus, Ajamel, then Ajamel started to realize that I spoke Narayan of my son's name, Narayan, and Vishnu Dutas came. And Bhagwan is so merciful that he sent me. Why did he send one, not one Vishnu Duta? So he sent 4 Vishnu Dutas, not one. And why did 3 Yamrits them? There's 5, 4, Na, Ra, Ya, Na. There's 4 letters. So that's why 4 Vishnu Dutas came. There are 3 ways we can do pap. One is body, mind, or mind,
एक बाहर भगवान
body, and karma.
है। अजामिल इस नाम महात्मा ने श्रवण किया।
So
इसी की
Ajamil
बात
heard
साधु
this.
संगम।
He heard the name.
अजामिल तो कुछ नहीं बोले। ये
Which was-
विष्णुदूत और जमदूत के साथ जो वार्तालाप
Ajamil didn't say anything. This conversation went between the Vishnudutas and the Yamrut. And he was, this Ajamil was listening to their conversation. That is Sadhu Sang. So Ajamil was getting Sadhu Sang when Vishnudutas and Yamdutas were having that conversation.
अजामिल सब कुछ छोड़ करके
Then Ajamil left everything and he didn't die. So he left and he had realization. He left everything and he went to Ganga Jal. And
हम जो गंगा जल है
in your house you should have Ganga Jal and Tulasi. We went to Haridwar. I bought a big gallon.
अपने घर में रखो
You keep Ganga Jal in your house. Take some. There's a lot of water here. We brought so much Ganga water from Ganga Jal.
ले जाओ सब
You can all take some.
रखो घर में
Take a little Ganga Jal. Keep in your house.
भूत पिशाच कभी नहीं आएगा
So ghost or a booth will never come in your house.
नहीं आएगा 100%।
100% they won't come. Wherever there is Ganga Jal, booth, ghost won't come. Arey, you are ghost.
भूत कहीं नहीं है
भूत?
नहीं भूत हो
You are both.
उद्धार के लिए ये गंगा जल पाठ करो तुम पहले उद्धार हो
Bella, to save yourself, you are both. So take Ganga Jal.
वो है हरिद्वार में जाकर के
So this Ajamil went to Haridwar and he started to chant Narayan name. And then his heart got pure.
विमान लेकर के पधारे
And then Vishnudutas came. Then Ajamil asked, when the Vishnudutas, Ajamil asked one question. He said, you came before. They said, Ajamil asked this question to Vishnudutas. Before I was saying Narayan, why didn't you take me to Vaikunth? And he said, at that time you were chanting Abbas, but now you are chanting pure name.
इसलिए तुम
That's why you are qualified to go to Vaikunth.
इसी प्रकार अजामिल
That's why Ajamil,
शुद्ध विमान में जाने वैकुंठ
he went to the Viman, the aeroplane that went to Vaikunth. Lal ki jai, Jai Shri Radhe, One Bihari Lal ki jai.